FUCHS is the world's largest independent lubricants manufacturer. Within the FUCHS Group, FUCHS Lubricants is the expert for special application lubricants and has a global business segment for glass at the heart of its development strategy. With the Centre of Competence for Glass Lubrication at the FUCHS UK facility and working with major OEMs, we globally coordinate and manage new product development and the transfer of knowledge and technology with local FUCHS companies to guarantee consistency of finished product around the world. The VITROLIS product range from FUCHS Lubricants is the most extensive in the industry, covering the lubrication requirements of the container, float, optical and vial forming industries. FUCHS offers customers a complete solution for all lubrication requirements throughout the glass manufacturing process. The VITROLIS Shear Lube range of GOB shear lubricants are designed to provide exceptional lubrication, cooling and corrosion protection to extend blade life and cutting performance from very high dilution emulsions. The VITROLIS DL and DC ranges of Scoop GOB accelerator lubricant benefits include enhanced sealing and lubrication within the shotgun to maximize GOB delivery performance, allowing increased production rates. For great quality bottles with superior aspect and clarity, the VITROLIS MM series of manually applied swabbing compounds is formulated with varying graphite contents for all requirements, suitable for application on the blank and finish sides of the IS machine. For auto swab robots, the Swabmatic range offers OEM-approved superior performance auto spray lubrication for both blank and neck ring molds designed to enhance your production process. To complement our extensive range of manual and auto spray swabbing compounds, FUCHS Lubricants also offers VITROLIS SPC Precoat neck ring lubrication and anti-checking compounds for the complete mold section lubrication package. With specialist lubrication from the shears to the leers, our offering doesn't end there. To avoid marking and scratching in transit, FUCHS VITROLIS CEC cold end coatings offer excellent scratch resistance along with both kosher and halal certifications. The VITROLIS ISX series of fully synthetic machine oils were formulated to meet the performance requirements of all major IS machine manufacturers to ensure optimum lubrication under extreme temperatures, allowing for extended machine overhaul periods, increased production rates and lower energy costs. Our full portfolio contains a host of high-performance products to suit all application, from gear oils and hydraulic fluids to turbine oils and industrial cleaners. Suitable for food-grade manufacturing, our comprehensive Cassida range offers NSF-registered lubricants to suit any cold-end setup. We are more than just a manufacturer of lubricants, and the reliability of your operation is our priority. Our service packages offer fluid condition monitoring, web-based support tools, and lubrication training. We work on effective, efficient solutions for your company. FUCHS, your one-stop shop for all lubrication and support requirements for the glass industry. Lubricants, technology, people.